free POS software for your business. Download link is available in the description below. First, click the download button. You will be redirected to the GitHub page. On the GitHub page, locate the file named BillSency Setup 1.0.0 beta.exe and click on it to start the download. The file size is approximately 74 megabytes, so please wait until the download is completed. Once the download is finished, open the file by double-clicking the .exe installer. If your system displays a Windows Defender or security alert, click Allow or Run anyway. The software is 100% safe and currently available as a beta version. Next, choose Install for all users. Read the license agreement, select I agree, and click Next. Keep all the default installation settings and ensure the option Create Desktop Shortcut is selected. Then click Install to begin the installation process. After the installation is completed, click Finish to launch the application. The application will open with a login screen. Click Create Account to register a new account. Fill in the following details: your name, store or company name, your WhatsApp number, currently only Indian numbers are supported. Choose a username and password. Please remember your username and password as you will use them to log into the application. Next, click Send OTP. Check your WhatsApp for the OTP message. Enter the OTP in the application and click Verify. Once verification is successful, click Create Account. You will see a confirmation pop up with your username. Click OK, and you will be redirected to the login page. Enter your newly created username and password to log in. After logging in for the first time, the system will automatically install the required dependency packages. Please make sure your internet connection is active during this step. Once the installation is complete, click Continue to Dashboard. You will now see the main dashboard with all menus and features available to start using the application. If you have any questions or need assistance, please contact us at info@c9infotech.com. Thank you for choosing our free POS software.